I'm at Garland Nursery in Corvallis, and I am with Carla. And Carla, you work for a great company with a rich history, Espoma. So tell us, you've been in business a long time.
I have. And our company has been in business for 90 years. So
Wow.
this is our 90th anniversary this year. So it's pretty exciting for us.
It is. And so, it's the time to get our vegetables in. And so you have some products that will really help us be more successful, those plants to get a great start.
Yeah, for sure. We're a little later here in the Pacific Northwest. Our soil's starting to warm up. So what we have here is Biotone Starter Plus. I call it magic in a bag. It's a three-for product. It's got biological soil microbes in it. It's got mycorrhiza, and it's also got a 4-3-3 fertilizer. This is what you want to put in your planting hole.
Okay.
It's when you want to plant it's going to attach itself to the roots. It's going to help it take up water and nutrients and provide your plant with the best start for the season.
We hear about that mycorrhizae all the time. So really, you don't top dress with this. You want to get it into the planting hole.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people don't realize that mycorrhiza dies in UV.
Oh.
So it needs to touch the roots of the plant. You're going to get your best, biggest root system when that product is able to touch the roots, and then again help with the exchange of nutrients. Water and nutrients is really what this is going to help that plant get big, strong, and produce a lot of fruit and vegetables.
And then about how long will that be active? Will the plant be able to pick it up?
Well, the mycorrhiza attaches those for the life of the plant.
Oh, okay.
And then again, you're adding beneficial microbes to the soil again that are helping decompose, the stuff in the soil, and again turn that into a food source for other microbes and the plant. So really what you want to do is start feeding about every 3 to 4 weeks after that with what we consider a maintenance tone.
Okay.
So,
and that's in the green bag.
So we have this, which is garden tone.
All right.
It's a fantastic product. We also spray that with the beneficial soil microbes that is in there, the bacteria, and that's going to again maintain the plant. You can top dress with that, and then you're able just to kind of sprinkle it in. Rake it in if you want, but it's granulated, so you just water around, and again that'll feed through the season. So again, 3 to 4 weeks through the entire growing season, and that'll get you lots of veggies.
And you can also use that on other plants too that are established in your garden.
Absolutely, yes. It's a great one. It's got added calcium in it. Again, that helps with blossom end rot.
Oh, for tomatoes, yes.
Tomatoes, squash, eggplant, any of your zucchinis, pumpkins, gourds, all that stuff that flowers. That's going to help take that blossom end rot and really help with it and get you through the season.
Excellent. And what I like is that you can reseal these packages. There's like a little Ziploc there, and really you can use it. It stays in your garden shed or in your area so that you can use it again when you need it.
Yeah, absolutely. And a little bit goes a long way. Again, put it down in next to the roots when you're putting in your garden, and you're going to have the best crop you've ever seen.
Well, you've heard it from Carla here. So if you have any other questions, you can go to Garden Time, and we'll click you over to the Espoma website. There's so much information there, other products that they have for all the plants in your garden. Thanks so much.
Thanks.